Hello and welcome to a major Droid unboxing video. Today we'll be looking at an Infinex Note 4, a phone that's pretty popular in Africa right now. So, let's check it out. It falls out pretty quick, that's not that nice. But the phone actually looks a lot bigger than I expected. That's normal, since it has a 5.7-inch Full HD screen. So, this is actually not a phone, this is a phablet, if we wanna get technical. It also has a fingerprint sensor, two cameras, one 13 megapixel, the other one 8. It's got 3 GB of RAM and an octa-core processor. So this is actually quite a nice package of all features and functions that are currently modern. So, and I have to say the box itself is very heavy. Like, I didn't expect it to be this heavy, and it feels really nice in hand. But let's pull it out. You just have to pull this little part here, and it pops out of the plastic holder here. So, the phone itself, I can't really judge since it has a plastic here that we have to remove, but I like that it has a textured power button. So you can feel it here, you can't really see it, but you can feel it's different from the volume. The button feels really nice though, and I bet, yeah, that's where the fingerprint reader is. And of course we'll check everything here in the review, but for now, this seems like a nice little package. Let's open the other side of the package. So we just peel this part off. And here we got the warranty information. It says here the future is now. This is a customer service card, so maybe it's not the warranty information, but I bet it is. We also got the SIM slot remover here, so you can open the little ports. On here you can see the hole. That's also for microSD, and yes, this phone does have a microSD slot. That's pretty nice. We got here the quick start guide, which guides you how to set everything up in multiple languages. And impressively enough, we also got a screen protector with the phone itself. So that's a nice touch by Infinex. I like it. This is a pretty complete packaging that I don't really see often in phones today. So this is the huge charger, or the power brick, how you wanna call it. And let's see actually what are its specs. It says here output 5 volts 2 amps or 5 volts 5 amps. Why? Does it have like 2 modes? It should be 5 amps actually, since this is a fast charger. So what does this little box hide here? This is actually, it hides the headphones, and yes, you do get headphones with this, and it hides the power cables. So let's just pull it out. Just grab it with 2 fingers like this, and you pull it out. Here you get the headphones, and we will test them out. They look really nice. They are, I mean, heavy enough for headphones. They got the buttons here and everything, but the audio quality, I can't comment on it until I hear them, which we will check out in the upcoming review. Let's see what this is. This is the cable, and it's actually pretty thick cable. I mean, yeah, it has to carry all that power, but still, this is impressive. Stay tuned for the upcoming review, because I really feel like this phone is gonna pack a lot of punch for a small price.